Hi, I'm Van, founder here at Finbotica. The Watchlist module helps you track the assets that matter to you, including individual stocks, ETFs, foreign exchange rates, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Whether you're tracking investments you already own or researching potential opportunities, the items on your watch list power the content displayed on your dashboard, ensuring you stay updated with the latest news, corporate filings, insider activity, and more. Today, we will be demonstrating the watchlist module, focusing on how to manage and analyze the items in your watch list. Let's get started. To begin, log in to your Finbotica account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account at finbotica.com. Upon login, you will be presented with the dashboard. At the very top of the dashboard view, you will see your watch list. The default view for the watch list is a heat map that orders symbols by daily percentage change. In this case, those symbols in the upper left will display dark green indicating a large positive daily change, with those in the lower right indicating a large negative daily change. You can also toggle between the heat map and grid views depending on your preference. To add a ticker to your watch list, you may click on the Add button in the watch list module. Next, you will be asked to specify a ticker symbol. Finally, click the Add button to finish. Notice that upon adding the ticker to your watch list, the dashboard is updated to include news, filings, calendar, and insiders activity for your newly added watch list item. To remove a ticker from your watch list, simply select the item and click the Remove button. Finally, to get more details on a watch list ticker, simply double-click on the item in your watch list. This will take you to the analysis page where you can get in-depth information on the ticker. In this video, you learned how to use the watch list in Finbotica. For more information on how you can automate your investing, visit finbotica.com. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Finbotica tips and tutorials on how to become a better investor.